So today we're doing a class at Ross Snyder. So we've got got a group of 50 kids coming out, and we're doing a Fruit Parfait as a cooking piece, and then Lolo here is doing dance with the kids.
And salsa dancing will be the dance of the day today. Lots of stretching, working out, doing some Gabby groove.
Gabby's going to make a parfait to show everybody how to make it, and then we'll go from there, and we're going to add a little bit of honey to your parfait to make it a little bit sweet.
So we're going to do two big scoops. We're going to add 1 scoop of strawberries. Then we're going to go back, get a scoop of yogurt on top. Add 2 scoops of blueberries. And 1 or 2 scoops, whichever you like, of granola. We're going to add this little bit of these berries on top, and we're going to put honey on top. Easy, right? And it's really good. Does it look good? Yeah?
So everybody got that? So we're going to take 3 kids at a time to come up.
What do we say when we love the food?